The battery king might be here. A brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max leak has just revealed what could be Apple's biggest battery upgrade ever. A new leak has shared exciting details about the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max, and this time, it's all about the battery. According to the latest information, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature the biggest battery ever used in an iPhone. Just like last year, there will reportedly be two battery sizes. The model with a physical SIM slot is expected to have a 5,235 mAh battery, while the eSIM only version could come with an even larger 5,425 mAh battery. If this leak turns out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will not only set a new record for Apple, but it will also have a bigger battery than the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which has a 5,000 mAh battery. For comparison, the current iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a 4,823 mAh battery in the physical SIM version and 5,088 mAh in the eSIM only version. That means Apple could increase the battery by 412 mAh on the physical SIM model and 337 mAh on the eSIM version. That's a noticeable jump for a single generation. Of course, these are still leaks, so nothing is officially confirmed yet. But if the information is accurate, users can expect even better battery life than before. With a larger battery and Apple's next generation A20 Pro chip, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could easily become one of the best smartphones for battery performance. So, what do you think about this leak? Is a bigger battery enough to make you upgrade to the iPhone 18 Pro Max? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Apple updates.